Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best oil extractors on Amazon. Oil changes aren't complicated, it's just a fact that you're going to get oil everywhere that's keeping you from jumping on it. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. M-Tools Manual Leader Extractor. M-Tools is a name easily recognizable to the DE mechanic, and it's no surprise to see it take the pick for best overall. The balance of price and quality is just what you'd expect from the brand, and this pump is built to serve the average gearhead well. It's also working with a large hand pump to improve comfort. A 5.3-liter reservoir holds more than enough oil without becoming unwieldy, and quick connect hoses make setup simple. OEM Tools has equipped it with an automatic shut-off to keep overflowing, keeping your garage floor clean. As for the potential downsides, the included hoses are a little short for trucks and other larger vehicles. Also, the base does lack stability, and you can easily tip it over if you're not careful. What we like about it: great balance of price and quality. Designed for easy operation. Large reservoir. Auto shut-off valve prevents messes. What we don't like about it: included tubes might be too short for trucks. Narrow base can be wobbly. Number 2. Uke Fluid Extractor Pump. What really makes this model stand out is the ability to extract fluid with both manual and pneumatic power. That kind of flexibility puts it in a league of its own, and you really can't go wrong with this over the others because of it. It's also working with a solid capacity for any shop owner, has a high flow rate, and is priced less than some other models with fewer features, making for an excellent value. Folks without an air compressor will want to go with something quicker when operated manually. It's also only fair to mention that the included hoses are delicate, so you need to be careful not to break them. What we like about it: manual or air-powered. Excellent value. Good reservoir capacity. High flow rate. What we don't like about it: hand pumping takes a lot more time. Tubes can break. Number 3. Air Power America Fluid Removing System. The deceiving size of the Air Power America flow tool is one major reason it takes the spot for best value. Despite initial impressions, it's able to hold up to 8 quarts, or just over 7.5 liters of oil. That's not all it has to offer, though. The steel body offers maximum durability, its oversized handle makes operation easy, and not needing continuous pumping keeps your nerves intact during use. All of that packed into a compact footprint at a budget-friendly price makes it hard for anything to compete with this oil extraction pump. It does have some drawbacks, though. The odd shape is not great for storage and can be a hassle for some. What we like about it: compact footprint. Large reservoir. Doesn't need continuous pumping. Steel containers offer high durability. Affordable. What we don't like about it: odd shape hinders storage. Pump removal required to drain. Over-tightening cap can cause sealing problems. Number 4. HT Moto Oil Extractor. HT Moto's oil extractor pump makes for the second uniquely shaped extractor pump on our list. It has a small footprint but can hold up to 6 liters of oil. It's designed to get fluid flowing with a dozen pumps, and your workout is over once it starts. The pump can also be removed to aid with storage, which is good, considering that the round body alone can pose issues in this area. It also includes a spout to make draining easy. What we like about it: small size. Good reservoir capacity. Removable pump aids with storage. Just a dozen pumps get flow started. What we don't like about it: expensive. Odd shape makes storage difficult. Pump seal tears easily. Overpumping can collapse containers. Number 5. Midivac 7201 Fluid Evacuator Plus. You can't talk about oil extractor pumps without mentioning Midivac, especially when it offers this titan of a unit. Its 8.7-liter capacity makes it an excellent choice for vehicle owners conducting multiple oil changes at once. It's also a true performer that features a large manual pump to get fluid going, with no need for power or compressed air. It can also change flow with the push of a button, changing it from vacuum to pressure. What we like about it: Large 8.7-liter capacity. High quality. Convenient automatic flow control. Visible reservoir. What we don't like about it. Included tubes might be too short for some vehicles. Expensive. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.